Late this afternoon, Governor Dayton issued an emergency executive order to the National Guard.
If you're home, stay there.
Good morning, everybody. We are getting hit with a snowstorm. They said it was supposed to start snowing around 3 o'clock last night. Schools are closed around 2 o'clock. I got up and looked out the window and there was no snow. Like, it wasn't even snowing outside, not one trace of it. Then I got up at 3:30, quarter to 4. Still no snow. So I'm like, maybe it's gonna pass us. I have no idea. Then I got up at 5. Still no snow. Still no snow. So I'm like, what the heck? They said we're supposed to get a huge snowstorm, and like they already canceled schools, which that's a huge thing to cancel school here in Minnesota the day before, like before it even starts snowing. We've gone to school when I was back in school. We've gone to school in like blizzard conditions. So for them to cancel school a day prior to the storm means that the storm's huge. And sure enough, storm was moving in a little slower, and now we're getting hit with the snowstorm. Here's what the situation looks like right now. The wind is blowing everywhere. I don't know if you can tell, but it's only been snowing for not that long. Morning to this handsome boy. Hello, you like having your hood on? You feel special? Weston, buddy, look at mama. Hi, I like your hood. He's playing with his puppy this morning. We are obviously not going anywhere because it's blizzard-like conditions, so we are all in comfy clothes today. These two Munchkins are playing on their cars. Hi, this one's getting sleepy though, aren't ya? Yeah, Mama was gonna go make you a bottle. He's been playing all morning and he's watching Noah go back and forth. Update on the storm. It is really windy out. It's like a whiteout almost. You've got mum-mums all over your face. Good. We just got a little bit on your shirt, but you did so good. You did good. This morning when I showed you all the snow, yeah, now you can't even see anything. You can't even see the field, you guys. It is blizzard conditions. Oh my gosh. Came upstairs to check on Noah. My camera's going blurry. Camera's always going blurry. To check on Noah and to also grab my planner and my checkbook because it is Monday. It is a new week and we gotta pay some bills. Get all the snow. That is up someone's garage door, you guys. Holy crap.
Late this afternoon, Governor Dayton issued an emergency executive order to the National Guard to help stranded drivers in those hard-hit southern counties.
Someone got stuck at the end of our road. 3 of them out there trying to get him out. This is what our downstairs window looks like. You cannot even see out of it. I feel trapped in the house. Oh my gosh. Outside and look real quick. Okay, you stay right here, okay? Oh my gosh, I can't open the door. We're stuck in the house. Oh my gosh. We're stuck in the house? Yeah.
Here's the deal. If you're home, stay there. Take my advice on this one. Everybody home, don't move. You're out on the roads, as you can imagine, really bad.
Maybe Dad can open it. Oh, good.
Oh my gosh. This is how much snow is at our front door, you guys. Holy crap. We are trapped in our house. This is crazy, you guys. I wish I could show you how bad it is, but they were just talking about possibly closing roads down because of how bad it is, and you know, urging people to stay home. Don't go anywhere, just stay home.
Obviously, it's a day out for kids in school. Emergency and tell everyone to stay home today.
Update, our window is now this high with snow. You want to see if we're still stuck?
Yeah, good.
Let's see. Yep. I'm not even going to try because I'm not going to break the door. I can take the big basket of Blue's Clues and Teletubby books out. Would that be fun?
No.
Noah. Noah wants to tell you what he found.
Okay. Yeah, good hug.
Big hug, yeah.
Dipsy.
Dipsy, yeah.
Lala.
And Lala.
Yeah, Lala. Oh, Dipsy.
Oh my gosh, you guys. No one is moving. Where is baby's mouth? Where is it? Let's see if it's under here. There it is, behind her cup. Yeah. Where is baby's belly button? Kaboo! There it is. She's so happy. Under her shirt. The wind was 30 miles per hour and about 1 to 2, depending on where you are, 1 to 2 inches of snow per hour. So the wind and the snow, blizzard, straight blizzard. It's 8:15. Maya is sleeping. I tried so hard to get Weston to sleep and he was not having it. So he is down here playing. Hi, buddy. Hi. You did not want to go to sleep. You did not want to go to sleep. Why? You just want to play? Look how hard he's trying to crawl. Like he is getting there. You're going to be crawling soon. Yeah. I have a huge mess to clean up. Okay guys, update on the storm. This is our front patio. Almost everything is underneath snow. Snow is almost to the top of the air conditioner and our play gym. It's almost to the top of the fence too. I was able to open the door because people were out here shoveling our sidewalks and driveways. So they shoveled a path. It's already completely full of snow, but I was able to get the door open. Thanks to the lovely people for shoveling our area. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but we are in a snow emergency. They actually had MnDOT basically pulled all the plows off the road, which kind of upset a lot of people. But we have to understand too that the plow guys need to sleep as well, and people get upset. Okay, people get upset because, you know, they want the roads cleared, but the plow guys have been working since 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. MnDOT plows have been shut down for a little bit, and I think they're going to be up and running again here probably around midnight, I'm guessing. And after, I still have to pick up Noah's snack, and it's almost 10 o'clock. Come on, buddy. Yeah, let's go. Boy is so obsessed with his babas that if I try to take it away... Oh, he let me take it away this time. I tried to take it away last time, and he woke up and like grabbed for it. To end today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe down below, and we will talk to you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.